Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to turn on BitLocker for operating system drive in Windows 11. Go to Taskbar Search, type GPEdit, click on Edit Group Policy to open it. Go to the left-hand list, expand Computer Configuration, go to Administrative Templates, expand Windows Components folder, go to BitLocker Drive Encryption, open Operation System Drives folder, go to the right-hand part of the window, double-click on the Require Additional Authentication at Startup file. Check Enabled option. Uncheck TPM option. Click on Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!